it's Brooklyn. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we get to talk about the HomePod. Wait, not this HomePod. What's this guy doing here? The HomePod Mini, but not just one. 2 HomePods Mini. Starting off with the boxes, they're so exciting just by looking at them. You want to find out what is in this box. So Apple did a really good job about making these boxes eye-catching and wanting to know what the product's all about. When I first got these, I saw the boxes and I was like, oh my gosh, they're so cute. And then I noticed that the font right here is different on the colors. So the white one's different from the black one. And they're really, really cute and definitely caught my eye, and I wanted to open up and see what they were all about. So I have the cutest brother slash manager slash camera guy back there, and he got me these 2 HomePod Minis to try out for, I think I've had them for like 2 weeks, so we could do a video on it. So here we are, opening it up. Oh, the suspense. I just spit everywhere too. Holy crap, guys, sorry. Not that suspenseful, it is. Very exciting, though. Woo! Again, my favorite sound to make. This little guy is only $99. When I first heard that, I was like, wait, an Apple product's actually reasonably priced? Holy crap. So I really wanted one, but then my brother surprised me with 2 of them. Compared to the HomePod, that's $299. I was like, yeah, speakers are super expensive. So when I knew that Apple had a teeny little cute speaker that was only $99, I was like, I need to get a hold of one of these. So price is great. Looking at this cord, it's braided. I really like this braided cord. It feels super sturdy. A complaint I did have about the cord is it's not super long. So you'll probably have to use an extension cord if you want it to go further out. And then the charger. The charger comes in the box. In my iPhone video, I talked about how if you were getting a charger, it didn't come with the iPhone 12. So it was really nice that this was included in the box. It is a USB-C cord. The part I don't like about this charger is how thick it is, so it stands out. So if you're plugging it into like your bathroom, it will stick out quite a bit, and I didn't really love that about this charger. Let's talk about what everybody wants to know about, the sound. The HomePod Mini's sound is seriously phenomenal. If you're using just one, the sound is great. I absolutely was so surprised, like shocked how good the sound is for how small it is. But why not have 2 and have stereo sound? I have been literally so impressed with how good the sound quality is having 2 of these. Compared to the HomePod, I would say very comparable. The only difference would be that the HomePod is quite a bit bigger, so it does have better bass. But having 2 of these and having stereo sound is so great. And then can we talk about the price again? $99 each, so $200 for stereo sound. I don't know if you can beat that. It's pretty good. While we're on the price subject, $99, you can have these in every single room in your house if you wanted. You can have it in your hallway, you can have it in your kitchen, you can have it in the bathroom, and have a very good sound system all throughout your house. That's pretty awesome and relatively cheap. My favorite part, I need to get into this because I've been so excited to share it with you guys. If you say, hey, while music's playing, the sound dims down and it kind of sounds like you're at a concert, like in the bathroom or walking away. It sounds so cool. So sometimes I'll just be like, hey, Siri. Sorry, I don't want to trigger any of your phones or something, so we gotta whisper her name. But just so she'll turn down the sound so I can hear it. It sounds really, really cool. That by far is my favorite part. Some of the features this has, you can talk to Siri if you're super lonely, or a fun part, this is an actual touch screen. So super cute. You can see right here, it changes colors when you're talking to you know who, or while it's playing music, it will also be changing colors. The HomePod only has a little circle, so this is really fun that it fills up the whole screen and that it's a touch screen. Then it also has these plus and minus for the volume. So yeah, you can touch it or just talk to Siri to change songs or ask her to do whatever you want her to do. More features. It has voice recognition, which is super cool for Siri to be able to know that or recognize your voices. So your family, she'll know every single different voice. So you can say, hey, check my messages, and she'll know who she's talking to. So I live with roommates, so she can recognize which one's which, or you can have her check when your appointment is, whatever it may be. But really cool that she has voice recognition to be able to tell who she's talking to. It kind of makes you feel like you have a little friend. Okay, picture this. You're jamming out in your car. You're having a good time. It's your little theme music. You're having a good day. You walk in your house and you're like, oh, the music kind of ended. But you have HomePod Mini in your life. So you walk upstairs or wherever it is, kind of have your phone next to it. Bam, instant theme music again. That feature is so cool. Or the other thing, if you're on the phone in your car, when you walk in the house, it can also transfer your phone call to the HomePod Mini and it can play through the speaker. So that's a really fun feature that it has, that it can just transfer over, and it's super quick to transfer to. You don't have to like wait for the music or the phone call to go through. You just place your phone right by it and it immediately will go. Should you buy a HomePod Mini? Should you buy HomePods Mini? The answer is absolutely yes, especially if you are an Apple user, have Apple products that you use all throughout the day. You definitely want one of these. The quality is amazing. The looks are super cute, and you can put them anywhere. You can have them all throughout your house for that quality stereo sound. Color-wise, kind of a personal preference. I'm indifferent. I haven't actually decided which one I like best. I have noticed that the black one does leave finger smudges on it on the touch screen, so I didn't really love that, but probably wherever it is in your home, I would probably just base the color off of that. But yeah, the HomePod Minis, they're so awesome. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you could please like and subscribe, and if you're wanting any videos, comment below too. I would love to hear your guys' input on which videos you would like to see, and help get the word out for me since I am new at my channel. I would absolutely love that. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you soon.